Hey, everybody! Welcome to another cozy chat on Dual Chat English. I'm John from good old San Francisco, where the weather's always got something to say. How's your day treating you?
Hi, friends. I'm Emma, hailing from Germany. Always a treat to sip and talk with you all. John, that mug looks huge, like you're hiding a soup bowl in there.
Guilty. Extra foam today. Makes me feel fancy. Quick check-in. Emma, how's your morning been so far? Mine started with rain tapping the window. Cozy, but lazy.
Pretty good. Yoga class, then this. But yeah, that rain got me thinking about weather chats today. You know, those easy talks over coffee, like hot enough for you or snow again? Super simple, but they start everything.
Oh yeah, weather small talk. The ultimate icebreaker. No one fights over clouds. Or do they? We've all stood there staring at the sky, fishing for words. Perfect for beginners. Easy vocab, real feel. Let's brew on that. Pun intended.
Pun king. Coffee first, though. Black for you, or did you cave to the pumpkin spice?
Me? Black is my heart. Wait, no. 2 sugars. Sweet tooth alert. You and that latte art. Looks like a heart. Romantic much?
Hey, it's a leaf or a blob. Barista's choice. Anyway, weather over coffee. Remember that time we met? Pouring rain, and you said, this calls for umbrellas or just bad attitudes.
Classic. Broke the ice. Or the puddle. So let's role play a bit. Imagine we're at this table. Strangers. Storm outside? Go. Hey, some storm, huh? Hope it lets up soon.
Totally. I left my umbrella at home. Rookie move. You headed out after this?
Yeah, grocery run. But if it keeps pouring, might just live here. Free refills. What's your crack?
Things for a second till Ted. Work call. Praying for a break in the clouds. You from around here? Weather's wild today.
San Francisco transplant. Miss the sun, but love the drama. Rain like this? Feels like a movie.
See? Flow's natural. Beginners, that's gold. Some rain, huh? Or hot out there? Opens doors. No deep dive needed.
Right. And listen, people add flavor. It feels like summer already. Repeat it. Builds rhythm. I once botched it bad, though. Tell you later.
Ooh, tease. My fail first. College days, coffee date, nervous wreck. Guy asks, nice day. I blurt, yeah, unless you're a vampire, allergic to sun. Crickets. Dead.
Vampire weather? Emma, you're a legend. Did he run?
Nah. Laughed. Turned into a thing we called sunny days vampire alerts. Lasted a month. Weather saved the awkward.
Love that. My flop, family barbecue, Texas heat. Uncle says, sweltering, ain't it? I go, yeah, like Satan's sauna. Everyone stares. Mom, John, pass the beans. Smooth recovery? Nope.
Satan's sauna, stealing for next heat wave. But hey, it sticks. Weather words. Hot, cold, rainy, sunny. Mix them. It's pouring cats and dogs. Fun idiom.
Cats and dogs? Viewers, that's heavy rain, not literal. Don't dodge pets. Practice. Cloudy today. Hope no storm. Say it slow.
Cloudy today. Feel it? Easy. Now, story time. Deeper. Winter in Minnesota. First big snow. I'm 10, staring out the window, hot cocoa in hand. Dad joins. Look at that blanket of white. Magic, huh?
Aw, magic snow. Mine? San Francisco summer storm. Power out, me and bro on the porch. Lightning cracks. Boom! He whispers, aliens. We laugh till belly hurts. Weather bonds us.
Yeah, not just talk, feels. Gloomy day, it's chin up, sun's coming. Lifts you. Or shares the wine. This humidity, hair's a frizz monster.
Frizz monster. Mine's wild hair. They both crack up. True. Adds humor, like the wind's trying to steal my hat again. Lightens the load.